Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin class 6th mathematics CBSE NCERT chapter 2 whole numbers. My dear students, in the last chapter we have learned that knowing numbers. Knowing numbers means we were knowing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So those are called as natural numbers. Then what is this whole numbers? My dear students, there is before 1 also there is a number, that is 0. Always something is going to begin from 0. So when the numbers are going to begin with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as whole numbers. This set of whole numbers we represented by the letter W. Whole numbers begin from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this set of numbers are going to begin from 0. So these are called as whole numbers. These numbers we are representing by the letter W. In these whole numbers even natural numbers are there. Your knowing numbers. So natural numbers begin from 1, 2, 3 are called as natural. Naturally we begin from 1, 2, 3. So the capital letter N we are using to represent the natural number by using capital letter. Now, we will learn that after number, before number in the lower classes. But after you know very well, after means next, before means back. These are primary classroom words. Now you are in high school. So what type of words would you like to use? Let us use successor. Successor in maths to the after the term of a particular term. Successor we are using after. Why? Because now you are learning the high school, high words you have to use. So after and next number, instead of that now we are using only successor. Successor in maths we are referring to the after the term, particular term, or we can call it as a number succeeds the another number. If we achieve something we will get the success, right? So we will be who are done earlier, we will go one step ahead. In the same way, by adding 1 we will get the successor, or by counting after we will get the successor. So how to find the successor? The successor of 896 is equal to 896 plus 1, that is 897. Now the next one, predecessor. Predecessor in maths we are referring to the before the term of particular term, or a number precedes another number. So what is this precedes? We learned before number, back number. Now we are learning predecessor. Predecessor. So when we are using the predecessor, we have to think only the backward number, only one step back. Predecessor, before or back, these all are the synonyms of the predecessor. How to find the predecessor? By subtracting 1 we'll get the predecessor, or by counting 1 we'll get the predecessor. So how can we find out 896 predecessor? 896 minus 1, it is 895. So the natural numbers along with 0 from the collection of whole number. These are known as, these all comes under the whole number. Whole word, it gives the meaning of everything. Means 1 before there is a 0. So it is a collection of all number. Next we are going to learn the concept, that is number line. What is that? You know line. Now you are learning number line. Number representing on the line is called number line. So we can draw the line, we can write the numbers because it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with equal distance. But between these distance is called as unit distance. Single distance is called as unit distance. Distance between these points are called as unit distance. Distance between between two numbers. One more thing I have written, this side greater, this side less. Means if you are going to the right side, you will always get the greater success. If you come to the left side, you will be getting less success. So hope you know that very well. Always when we are doing some good work, we will show our right hand first, is it? So we have to move our right side, that is known as what? Greater. So always you move right side, that is greater. Means you have to move right side. If you are moving left side, less. Then why we have to learn moving right side, left side? What do you mean? Yes, my dear students, we are going to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we must know we have to move right side or left side. So this will help us to do the addition on number line, subtraction on number line, multiplication on number line. Then, my dear students, how to do this on number line? You know very well, addition, it gives the meaning of put it together. Put it together. How can we put it together on this number line? It's very easy. You can go first to the 2, number 2. Because 2 plus 4 is a number 2. After that, you have to forward. Addition means after. Addition, it gives the meaning of after. So you have to move right side only. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 after 4 step I have to go. Then I can reach number 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Only that's it. So I have put it together these two numbers. Now we'll go to the subtraction. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. How? Subtraction gives the meaning of take it away. We have to take it away. So let us go first. They said 4. So let me go to 4. Now I have to come away from that 2 places. I have to come away. 1. I am coming away from the 4 and 2. Why I should come back? Because subtraction we will do by counting before numbers. So we have to move back. That's it. So we have to come back. So you'll be getting the answer 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then again we are going to the multiplication. What do you mean multiplication? You know very well. 2 4 is equal to 8. How you have got? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you 2 repeated, how many times this 2 is repeated? 4 times. If you add this all, you will be getting 8 only. So multiplication is nothing but repeated of addition. So let us do. How many times I have to jump? 2 4 times. So 2 2 1. Skip counting you know very well. Skipping you know very well. So 2. Again 2 step. Again 2 step. Again 2 step. Where I reached number 8. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. But how many? Every time 2 2 2. So you will be getting 8. Hope you understood how to do on the number line addition. Addition means you have to move forward. Subtraction means you have to move backward. Multiplication means you have to jump. Skipping. You will be skipping means you will be jump with the same distance, right? Same height. So here also with the same number you have to jump to every time. So hope you understood what are whole numbers, successor, predictor and number line. On the number line these operations. So you can enjoy this concept by solving the number line addition, subtraction, multiplication. Thank you one and all.